Rhombus face with prominent cheekbones. The blind pursuit of makeup covers the cheekbones. On the contrary, it is clamped and fierce. Then, if you change it to a shady instrument, modify calcium larger than the eye, will gain the special beauty of sporadic faces. Hello, you have drawn a lot of ing recently. Moisturizing makeup. Found this very living makeup can quietly modify the high cheekbones, the feeling of showing your chest. Recently, this shiny makeup is also a little sexual, just in time to share. After applying the toner, use another lotion, especially our dry skin. Before applying base makeup, make sure the skin is shiny. Dispose of big blemishes on the face with concealer. How about this? We can guarantee that the base makeup is used very little. It can restore the texture of our skin itself. Use this blue brightening in the face. This brightening powder has a weak feel, but the corresponding brightening effect is not very obvious, so I usually put it before the base makeup. Use once after base makeup. Just choose a moisturizing and shiny base makeup. I usually use these 3 thin layers. Just play the effect of even skin tone. This box is about to run out, and it's a bit difficult to get the powder. Okay, I feel like I've never been so tired of doing makeup in my life. The next makeup method, we try our best to choose this paste. This not only reduces makeup, it can also enhance the texture of our skin. Like this Water Glow Makeup Blush, we can use one that comes with Base Color Water Glow Bar. Apply it to the palm of your hand. Look at this very lustrous gloss. Use another brush to get the powder, mostly on the cheekbones. Hit it up diagonally. How about this? We'll move the highlight of the entire apple muscle up. The face is tighter. It's very low-key nude boiled water. Don't worry about having high cheekbones. The tip of the nose and the middle of the bridge of the nose. It can shorten the long atrium where we wash our faces. On the eyelids and aegyo saliva. Come on. This will allow us to apply the whole makeup color. The atmosphere is more unified, softer. It's this brownish one for the facelift. It will match the color of the whole blush better, mainly repair our outer contour. There should be a connection between the cheekbones and the blush. The extruding jaw is smudged again. Side view, our whole grooming is very natural content. Yes, we build the orbital bone. The bridge of the nose is calm. I want him to tilt up a little, so I'm going to do it again here. And then the lip peak. The jaws of the people are smudged open in turn. Brighten the surface again with the brightening liquid just now. Before setting makeup, cover up all our little acne marks. Living people catch the last step of base makeup to spray setting spray. Remember to come a few more times. It seems to grow a little too much. Choose another loose powder with a lower powder cover ratio. Give our eye area, eyebrow. There are also more positions for these hooked cranes in the face. Come and set it lightly. After we lay the whole framework, all products, whether in the bone up, still skin up, it's all about emphasis and embellishment. It's not about being blunt. The whole set down, it's just the good look of the face glowing again. Okay, let's stop flattering ourselves now. Let's optimize our facial features step by step. Our cheekbones are prominent. It doesn't look good. Of course, we can't do it with makeup. Squeeze an eyebrow bone out of thin air. But you can draw a very bony eyebrow to match this piece of bone. Use the eyebrow pencil first. Draw the main trichomes from brow to brow. Draw small lines to fill in the details. Use an eyebrow brush to comb it up. The whole eyebrow has hair flew, but it still looks very 2D because it has no depth change. You can use a slightly darker eyebrow pencil, deepen it a little bit at our eyebrow ridges. Comb it with an eyebrow brush. This is a perspective view of the brow. Did it come out? It goes from flat to bone. Like eyeshadow, we already have a base color, and then smudge it with a matte earth color. Deepen it. Bring it diagonally up to the orbital bone we just drew. On the brush, fish meal is brought to the back half of the world eyeshadow. Then we can stick double eyelids. Let's use this one, because our whole piece will be wider, so when we flower the branches, you can put it a little bit, pull the barrier out a little bit, drawing diagonally up. This will shrink the piece a little bit. If you nod, change it to a flatter brush to draw. Deepen it against the root of the eyelashes and use this one. Mix this lollipop, we'll parallel it down in a minute, so don't narrow it up. It's something that goes a little bit flat. egg yolk saliva brighten with this one. Now the contrast is obvious. The larger the facial features, the more concentrated the vision. Not so strong for outer wheels or attention. Fill in the inner eyeliner with the eyelash curler. I chose this one for the remaining eyelashes, the brown one. I almost forgot, we got a new brown mascara. The end of the eye is pasted in 2 places. Eyeliner, we need to start from the end of the eye. It's slightly upturned. Tidy up the edges with a knife brush. Then use this one against the root of our eyelashes to deepen. Now the overall eye makeup is finished, but we're going to sort out the details. Sometimes makeup is always the same. Maybe the details are not handled properly. Like my eyelids, for example, it can't hold up with lace double eyelid stickers. So I want to add another detail to the double eyelid sticker. Re-prop it up here at the end of the eye. The whole double eyelid trend is up. It also makes the eyes look more energetic. If you always feel like your eye's on you, draw very loud, show your chest. You can use a small brush, dark brown. Let's iron our end of the eye eyeliner here again. Looking at the whole eyeliner will become more soft. And there you go. The whole base makeup is very shiny. Then our eye makeup, can you also add a little gloss? But if you use large particles of flash, it will look like the makeup here is very greasy. You can choose one of this pearlescent color, little by little in the middle of the eyelids. Brighten up our eyes with a little white. It can make the outline of the entire eye more clear. Is that so? The entire brow and eye are also free of any complex elements. It can also draw very similar to our lips, fusion of bone scents. Let's deepen the tip of the nose a little bit and the bridge of the nose. This makes the overall bone feel more integrated. Change to a bigger brush for smudging. Superimpose a little pearlescent highlight on the eye, the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose to echo the water light on the side of our faces. And finally, a little lip liner. Widen your upper lip a bit. Finally, use this lipstick as dry lips. I would prefer to use this very moisturizing lip product, light and very modifying. It fits today's theme very well, retouching. And then, finally, 2 moles.